which is better, US Mobile or Straight Talk? For the US Mobile, they have a lot of providers, right? They're so-called super carrier. They can provide you network from carriers such as Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, things like that. So you'll always get the best coverage wherever you are because of the wide range of providers they give you, right? And they can give you unlimited plans here like premium data, unlimited talk, and text for only $17 per month. And US Mobile is pretty flexible, right? You can give a lot of customization to all of your plans, right? So it's a pretty good deal. Now, what about Straight Talk? Now, for Straight Talk, they only have Verizon network, right? So they only operate in Verizon network and their provider is Verizon, right? But Straight Talk has better straightforward plan and their plan is pretty straightforward, right? So $65 per month and then you'll get 5G, you'll get unlimited data, unlimited hotspot, and you can also get 100 gigabyte of cloud storage. And then you can also get Gold Unlimited 55 towers. And you can get all of these benefits as well, right? It's much more straightforward. So if you want something more flexible and something more reliable, go with US Mobile. If you want something more straightforward, then go with Straight Talk. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.